Is your home missing that perfect balance between cozy warmth and modern style? You're not alone. Welcome to Visionary Designs, where we turn design struggles into stunning spaces. Today, we're diving into modern rustic minimalism, transforming every corner of your home into a serene, inviting retreat. Ready to elevate your space? Hit like and subscribe for more inspiring design ideas. Let's get started. Before we step inside, let's start with the first impression of your home, the front porch. This often overlooked space can set the tone for the rest of your home. So let's see how modern rustic minimalism can transform this entryway into a welcoming and stylish space. Picture a front porch that immediately draws you in with its understated elegance. Imagine a minimalist entryway where clean lines meet natural materials. Think weathered wood and smooth stone. A sleek, unadorned bench sits subtly against one wall, while simple planters, perhaps filled with green foliage or seasonal blooms, add a touch of nature without overwhelming the space. The floor might be adorned with a minimalist rug that ties in seamlessly with your indoor decor, creating a cohesive transition from outside to inside. Feel the calm and inviting atmosphere as natural textures and a restrained color palette evoke warmth and simplicity. This front porch isn't just an entryway, it's a serene prelude to the elegant minimalism that awaits inside. Now that we've set the stage for a stunning entryway, let's move inside and explore how modern rustic minimalism continues to shine through in your living spaces. Imagine stepping into a living room where the very air seems to breathe serenity. The first thing you notice is the sense of space, a feeling that everything is in its right place, yet nothing is overdone. The room is bathed in soft, natural light, streaming through large, unadorned windows that invite the outside in. The light dances on smooth, clean walls, which might be a soft, earthy tone, or perhaps a cool, crisp white. This light sets the mood, making the room feel open, yet intimate. The textures around you tell a story of nature and craftsmanship. Picture a beautifully aged hardwood floor beneath your feet, its surface warm and inviting, each plank with its own unique grain, echoing the quiet strength of the trees it came from. The walls may be finished in smooth plaster, reflecting the light with a gentle glow that enhances the room's calm atmosphere. The furniture here is minimal, yet each piece is a statement. Imagine a low-slung sofa in a neutral fabric, offering a place of rest and reflection. The seating arrangements are designed for comfort and conversation, encouraging connection without clutter. You might find a simple wooden coffee table, its surface smooth and cool to the touch, holding just a few carefully selected items. A small vase with fresh greenery, a book, a candle, each one contributing to the room's sense of peace. The room's atmosphere is one of calm and quietude, where the simplicity of design invites you to relax and be present. It's a space that feels timeless, yet modern, a place where the hustle and bustle of the outside world melts away, leaving only a sense of peace and well-being. Now, imagine moving into the kitchen, a space that goes beyond functionality to nourish the soul. The kitchen in a modern rustic minimalist home is the embodiment of harmony, where raw, natural materials meet sleek, modern lines. Picture smooth countertops, perhaps in natural stone or polished concrete, cool to the touch and incredibly durable. The cabinets are a masterpiece of simplicity, clean lines, unadorned surfaces, but with a warmth that only wood can bring. The wood's natural grain is visible, a reminder of its origins, adding a tactile element that invites you to touch, to feel connected to the earth. As you explore the kitchen, you notice how open and airy it feels. The layout is designed with efficiency and beauty in mind. Open shelves display only the essentials, perhaps a set of handmade ceramic bowls, a collection of wooden utensils, each piece carefully chosen for both function and form. There's a deliberate lack of excess. Everything has a purpose, and everything in its place. The mood here is one of quiet productivity. It's a space where you can enjoy the process of cooking, surrounded by materials that speak of nature and simplicity. The air is filled with the scent of fresh herbs, their green leaves vibrant against the neutral backdrop of the kitchen. Light streams in through large windows, perhaps with a view of a garden or the natural world beyond, creating a connection between inside and out. This kitchen feels like a retreat, a place where the act of preparing a meal becomes a meditative experience, a place where you can slow down and enjoy the simple pleasures of life. It's a space that nurtures both body and soul. Next, step into the dining room, a space that exudes both intimacy and openness, perfectly suited for gathering with loved ones. In the modern, rustic, minimalist style, the dining room is a place where every meal becomes an occasion. Every moment shared becomes a memory. Imagine a large, sturdy table at the center of the room, perhaps crafted from reclaimed wood. The surface of the table is smooth, yet full of character, its imperfections only adding to its charm. The table is bare, save for a simple centerpiece, a vase with fresh wildflowers, or perhaps a single candle that casts a soft, warm light. The chairs around the table are comfortable, yet understated. Their design simple, allowing the natural beauty of the wood to shine. As you sit down, you feel the solidity of the craftsmanship, the connection to the natural materials that form the foundation of this space. Above, a pendant light or a simple chandelier hangs, casting a gentle glow that bathes the room in warmth. The light is soft, diffused, creating a mood that is both cozy and inviting. The walls might be adorned with a single piece of art, perhaps something abstract that adds just a touch of color, or maybe there's a large window that frames the view of the outside world. The dining room is a space that feels both intimate and expansive. It's a place where the rustic charm of natural materials meets the sleekness of modern design, creating a setting that is both timeless and contemporary. It's a room that invites you to sit, to linger, to enjoy the company of those around you, and to appreciate the simple, profound pleasure of sharing a meal together. Now, let's retreat to the bedroom, a sanctuary of rest where modern rustic minimalism creates a space of pure tranquility. The bedroom in this style is all about comfort, simplicity, and a deep connection to the natural world. Imagine stepping into a room where the walls are a soft, muted color, perhaps a gentle gray or an earthy beige, setting the tone for relaxation. The light here is soft, diffused through linen curtains that allow just enough sunlight to create a warm, inviting glow. The bed is the centerpiece, its low, sturdy frame made from wood, its natural grain visible, grounding the space with a sense of solidity. The bedding is simple yet luxurious, crisp, organic linens that feel soft and cool against your skin, inviting you to sink in and relax. There's a sense of calm in the air, as if the room itself is encouraging you to let go of the day's stresses and just be. Around the room, the decor is minimal, but each piece has been carefully chosen to enhance the sense of peace. Perhaps there's a simple wooden chair by the window, a place to sit and reflect, or a small side table with a single candle, its flickering flame casting gentle shadows on the wall. The floors are wooden, their natural warmth a reminder of the connection to the earth. The mood in the bedroom is one of quietude, of rest. It's a space that feels deeply personal, a retreat from the world where you can recharge and reconnect with yourself. The simplicity of the design, the natural materials, and the soothing colors all work together to create a space that is both restful and rejuvenating, a true sanctuary in every sense of the word. Finally, step outside onto the patio, a space that blurs the lines between indoors and out, where modern rustic minimalism is expressed in its most natural form. The patio is a continuation of the home, an outdoor living space that invites you to connect with nature while enjoying the comforts of modern design. Imagine stepping onto a smooth wooden deck, the warmth of the wood beneath your feet, a comforting contrast to the coolness of the breeze that brushes your skin. The space is open, airy, with simple, sturdy furniture that feels both solid and welcoming. A wooden bench or a set of low, comfortable chairs invites you to sit, to relax, to take in the beauty of the natural surroundings. The decor here is minimal, perhaps just a few potted plants, their green leaves adding a touch of life to the space. The materials are natural, weathered wood and stone, perhaps with a touch of metal that has aged gracefully over time. The colors are muted, blending seamlessly with the landscape around you. The air is fresh, carrying the scent of nearby flowers, or the earthy aroma of the forest. As you sit, you feel a deep sense of peace, as if the world has slowed down just for a moment. The light is soft, perhaps filtered through the leaves of nearby trees, creating a dappled pattern on the deck. The patio is a space that feels like a true extension of the home, a place where you can unwind, whether alone with a book or gathered with friends. It's a celebration of simplicity and natural beauty, a perfect embodiment of modern rustic minimalism in the great outdoors. And that's how you can bring modern rustic minimalism into every corner of your home. Which space do you think would benefit most from this style? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts and ideas. If this video inspired you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might need a little design inspiration. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks. Thanks for watching Visionary Designs. And until next time, happy decorating and take care.